वफाकी वजीर खजाना इसहाक डार ने अपने दफ्तर में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए कहा,
extend my deep appreciation to Asian Development Bank for another project approval, that is Pahur High Level Canal Extension. It's about $86 million for the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. I also extend my appreciation and congratulations to Minister Saab, Special Assistant and the Secretary Saab. It is a great project for the agriculture side in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is phase 2 of the project. I understand phase 1 was done when Aftab Sherpal Saab was Chief Minister, and I'm glad that his son today is witnessing the phase 2 of the project. Courtesy, we are at service as Economic Affairs Division to help out provinces, and obviously the thanks go to the management and the country director on my right of the Asian Development Bank, who are always very supportive to Pakistan.
वफाकी वजीर खजाना इसहाक डार ने मजीद कहा,
This project will certainly bring in a lot of benefits to the farmer community in the area where this project will be implemented. I am told that on-farm level irrigation canals in around 20 water courses in Janda, Bukam, Malakabad, and 86 water courses in Indus Amber area. So it is virtually 106 water courses, which is a huge area, and we are looking forward to provide similar assistance to the other provinces. Punjab also had one project of similar purposes, which Economic Affairs Division and the federal government supported, and it has already been finalized, and we are happy that similar project for the province of Sindh, province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, today we have finalized.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।